Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2015 BMW 3 Series. So from any screen, whatever you're on, you click nav, like so. That's brought the map up. If we click nav again, it brings another menu up. You've got map there, but you've also got destination input, recent destinations, point of interest. So we want destination input. We go to destination input. There, it's on the United Kingdom already, place or postcode. So we go to place and postcode, highlight that, click OK. Now, we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, and our postcode is P. So rotary control to P, and then click R. This is where it gets a bit kind of vague. There's no numbers. What you do, you turn the rotary control until you get to, you've got A, B, C, then you've got an arrow, which is delete, then OK. Then further on, that's not actually even highlighted, but if you turn it further, there you go, you've got further characters. So turn to further characters like so, click on that, and then we've got numbers. So we want 5, 4, it's defaulted back to the letters, E, A, and then we click OK. That's it. You can put the street in if you want, but I don't want to, and then click Start Guidance.
Please make a U-turn if possible.
That's it. That's how you set the sat-nav.